Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off the security delay feature in iPhone iOS 18. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. If there is an update available, install it. After that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, turn the toggle on for content and privacy restrictions and then turn it off again. This refresh helps reset any issues. Now go back to the settings menu and tap on Face ID and passcode. You'll be asked to enter your passcode, so go ahead and do that. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection. Here, tap on Always to make sure it's set to always be active. Next, tap on Start Security Delay. This is where you'll turn off the security delay feature. Finally, tap on Done to complete the process. Now you've successfully turned off the security delay feature on your iPhone running iOS 18. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.